Critical thinking and problem-solving skills for success. In today's rapidly evolving world, critical thinking and problem-solving are essential skills for navigating challenges and making informed decisions. These skills, often intertwined, empower individuals to assess situations logically, consider multiple perspectives, and arrive at the differences between critical thinking and problem-solving, their importance, and techniques to enhance these abilities. Understanding critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information objectively and make a reasoned judgment. It involves evaluating sources, such as data, facts, observable phenomena, and research findings. Critical thinkers question assumptions, discern hidden values, and assess conclusions. They are open-minded and skeptical of their own biases, constantly questioning the validity of their own thoughts. Key characteristics of critical thinkers. 1. Analytical skills. Critical thinkers can break down complex information into smaller, manageable parts. 2. Objectivity. They approach problems without letting personal biases influence their judgments. 3. Open-mindedness. They consider alternative viewpoints before arriving at a conclusion. 4. Curiosity. They possess a strong desire to explore, inquire, and seek out the truth. 5. Skepticism. They critically evaluate information and question its authenticity and reliability. Understanding problem-solving. Problem-solving is the process of identifying a problem, developing potential solutions, and choosing the best course of action. It is a systematic approach to finding workable solutions to specific issues. Problem-solving involves creativity, logic, and decision-making, all of which help to address challenges effectively. Key characteristics of effective problem-solvers. 1. Identifying the problem. Effective problem-solvers clearly define the problem before attempting to solve it. 2. Solution-oriented thinking. They focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on the problem. 3. Creativity. They think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. 4. Decision-making. They analyze potential solutions and select the most feasible one. 5. Persistence. They remain committed to finding a solution, even when faced with obstacles. The difference between critical thinking and problem-solving. While critical thinking and problem-solving are closely related, they are distinct in their approaches and applications. 1. Focus. Critical thinking focuses on analyzing and evaluating information. It's more about questioning and understanding. Problem-solving focuses on finding solutions to specific issues. It's action-oriented and aims to resolve problems. 2. Process. Critical thinking involves questioning, analyzing, and evaluating information. Problem-solving involves identifying a problem, generating solutions, and implementing them. 3. Outcome. Critical thinking aims to develop a deep understanding and well-reasoned conclusions. Problem-solving aims to find practical and effective solutions to problems. Techniques to enhance critical thinking. Improving critical thinking skills requires practice and a conscious effort to analyze and evaluate information critically. 1. Ask questions. Cultivate curiosity by questioning everything. Ask why, how, and what if. This helps in gaining a deeper understanding of the subject. 2. Analyze arguments. Break down arguments into their premises and conclusions. Evaluate the validity and soundness of the arguments presented. 3. Evaluate evidence. Critically assess the evidence supporting a claim. Is the evidence reliable, relevant, and sufficient? 4. Identify biases. Recognize your own biases and how they may influence your thinking. Being aware of biases helps in making objective decisions. 5. Reflect on your thinking process. Regularly review and reflect on your thought process. This self-reflection helps in identifying areas for improvement. 6. Engage in discussions. Participate in debates and discussions. This exposes you to different perspectives and challenges your thinking. 7. Read widely. Expose yourself to a variety of viewpoints by reading different kinds of literature. This broadens your perspective and enhances your critical thinking skills. Techniques to enhance problem solving. Effective problem solving requires a structured approach and the ability to think creatively. 1. Define the problem clearly. Understand the problem thoroughly before jumping to solutions. Ask questions like, what is the problem? Why is it a problem? What are its implications? 2. Brainstorm solutions. Generate as many solutions as possible without initially judging them. This encourages creativity and innovation. 3. Evaluate options. Assess the potential solutions based on feasibility, resources, and potential outcomes. Consider the pros and cons of each option. 4. Implement the solution. Choose the best solution and put it into action. Develop a plan of action and allocate resources effectively. 5. Monitor and evaluate. After implementation, monitor the results to ensure the solution is effective. Be prepared to make adjustments if necessary. 6. Learn from experience. Reflect on the problem-solving process and learn from successes and failures. This continuous learning improves your problem-solving abilities over time. 7. Stay calm under pressure. Stress can cloud judgment and hinder problem-solving. Practice stress management techniques to stay calm and focused. The interplay between critical thinking and problem-solving. Though distinct, critical thinking and problem-solving often work in tandem. Critical thinking is essential in the problem-solving process, as it helps in accurately defining the problem, evaluating potential solutions, and making informed decisions. Conversely, problem-solving often involves critical thinking, particularly when assessing the effectiveness of solutions. For instance, when faced with a complex problem, a critical thinker will not only consider the obvious solutions, but will also question underlying assumptions and explore alternative solutions. This analytical approach often leads to more effective problem solving. Importance in the modern world. In today's complex and fast-paced world, the ability to think critically and solve problems effectively is more important than ever. These skills are crucial in various fields, including business, education, healthcare, and technology. Employers highly value individuals who can think critically and solve problems, as these skills are linked to innovation, efficiency, and better decision-making. Furthermore, in an era of information overload, critical thinking helps in distinguishing between credible information and misinformation. It enables individuals to make informed decisions, whether in personal life or professional settings. Critical thinking and problem-solving are indispensable skills for success in the modern world. While they are distinct, they complement each other and are often used together to navigate challenges effectively. By developing these skills, individuals can improve their ability to analyze situations, make informed decisions, and find creative solutions to problems, whether in the workplace, in academic settings, or in everyday life. Critical thinking and problem solving empower individuals to tackle challenges with confidence and competence.